to Leica Real Estate Services Real Estate Investing Guide. These chapters relate to multifamily real estate investing. The previous chapters on single-family investing would relate to multifamily, commercial investing, but not all applications towards multifamily and commercial investing relate to single-family investing. Chapters 9 and 10. Check zoning and property management agreement. Check zoning rules and classifications and ask for a 5 or 10-year plan. First, investors will want to verify which type their potential investment property is classified as and if the current classification has the ability to change to another classification type. For instance, an investor might be thinking of buying a large single-family residential home in hopes of converting it into a duplex. Or possibly the property is a duplex and they are thinking about adding a third finished unit into a basement. Or perhaps the investor wants to convert a large single-family home into a mixed-use property featuring commercial offices or retail space on the first floor and a residential living unit on the second floor. Investors need to know if the zoning department and zoning classifications will allow them to use the property for the deemed best usage scenario. Investors should also ask the zoning department if they have a 5 or 10-year plan that they could be given. Often zoning departments already have plans for certain areas within their municipality. It would be good for investors to understand how their plan would affect their neighborhood and therefore the potential impact on their investment property. Chapter 10. Get copies of the property management agreement. If the seller is using a property management company, you should get copies of the property management agreement. Investors should review the property management agreement to determine the costs associated with the selected management company as well as understand the vendors the company utilizes. This information can be helpful to shop around for other management companies or show the amount of money they might be able to save should the investor elect to self-manage the property. The management agreement should entail 1. Monthly service costs. 2. Commissions. 3. Vendor usage and costs. 4. Amount of time required to cancel the agreement. 5. Any potential fees of early cancellation. 6. Fees for administrative tasks or after-hours emergency responses. If the property is currently owner-managed, ask the owner for a list of their preferred vendors that they call for different services such as plumbing, electrical, roofing, boilers, HVAC, general maintenance, etc. If the owner is self-managing the property and has built a network of reliable service providers, why go through the hassle of building a separate vendor network yourself? Building a full network of reliable and especially affordable vendors can often take a great deal of time, months if not years. Take advantage of their contacts and let the vendors know you'd be glad to keep them as long as you like what you hear from the owner and residents regarding the costs of their services and the overall level of customer service satisfaction. You will need to talk to the property manager if you are considering taking over the property management contract. Prepare a list of questions to ask them beforehand. We will be creating another video on the questions you will want to ask a property management company, so be sure to look out for that video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and check out Chapter 11 Other Multifamily, Commercial Considerations. If you're looking for a realtor or property manager in the Twin Cities, please contact us. We'd love to help you with any of your real estate needs. LeicaRealEstate.com 763-645-4617